We'll move now to allegations of wrongful death, neglect, and fraud exposed by the ABC 7 News I-Team. We're hearing from the family of a man who died while in the care of a nursing home in East Oakland. I-Team reporter Stephanie Sierra has their plea for justice tonight. She is in the newsroom with the story. Stephanie.
Yes, Dan, the story told in this complaint is sadly a familiar reality among low-staffed nursing homes. The allegations accuse this local facility of chemically restraining a man for, quote, convenience without any consultation from his doctor. And this lawsuit does claim it was a substantial factor that caused his death.
I was hurt. I was scared, for him. It was just bad.
Kyomi Williams admitted her father, Alando, into Windsor Healthcare Center of Oakland following his leukemia diagnosis. Now she's suing them.
It was a horror movie.
Less than a month after his admission to the facility, her father was found dead in his bed after what this complaint alleges was reckless overmedication with sedatives and narcotics. Williams allegedly faced untold pain, suffering, and injury as a result of the reckless neglect and abuse from staff at the facility, according to the complaint filed in Alameda County Superior Court.
I was under the impression that it was a 4.5 facility, but when I got there, it was just totally unacceptable.
On December 14th, 2022, several days after being admitted, the complaint alleges Williams reportedly eloped from the building and his daughter found him by a nearby crosswalk.
I made a big fuss about it. That's when, they start medicating him, and every time I come there, he was unable to talk.
The facility allegedly never reported that incident to state regulators, which the complaint claims is required by state law. Instead, the complaint alleged the facility secured a physician's order for Ativan, a sedative and morphine narcotic, to prevent him from getting away.
That's basically chemically restraining someone, but it's a very incompassionate way to deal with people, and it can be deadly, as it was in this case.
The legal document also claimed during her father's entire stay at the facility, unqualified staff heavily dosed him with sedatives and narcotics without directly consulting with his doctor, which was required by the facility and the physician's order.
Large doses of Ativan, that was the ultimate cause of his death, and that's a horrible way to die.
The I-Team reached out to Windsor Healthcare Center of Oakland, along with some of its parent companies, for further comment, including the parent company's CEO, billionaire businessman Shlomo Recknitz, who owns dozens of nursing home facilities across the state, but we have yet to hear back. The facility is part of a larger network of nursing homes that have been scrutinized in recent years. The complaint alleges the company presents false representations and manipulates that 5-star rating system with respect to staffing and quality of care. According to Care Compare, a federal oversight arm for nursing homes, the facility has a 4 out of 5-star rating on Medicare's website.
We've got 5 current pending cases against him and his facilities, and that's one hallmark in all these cases, is that they are significantly understaffed.
Now, there was another case out of Sacramento County in 2020 that involved the use of Ativan and the drugging of a patient. And while that particular lawsuit did not involve any of the defendants in this case, the outcome did result in a $42 million verdict. So we'll, of course, be following this case closely.